Here are my top tips to help you learn how to track your food more consistently to get better results. Number one, don't try to be perfect in an imperfect system. Calories are and always have been just a best guess, both in terms of food labels and the calorie window that I would ask you to work in. Your perfection with trying to get your tracking accurate is stopping you from actually doing it. Just understand, all we're doing is looking for broad brushstrokes, getting stuff written down, and then we can analyze from there. Number two, food tracking is not a life sentence. It's about a period of education. Studies have shown that for those who tracked for 228 days out of 343 days available to them, lost a significant amount of weight. That's not a life sentence. That's like 2/3 of a year. If you can put that together, you're gonna do really, really well. Number three, there is no right or wrong, just exploration. So what if you go over your calories? So what if you don't get it right every day? Who cares? You're exploring, you're learning, you're educating. That's all you need to do. You're learning about the foods that you eat and how they impact your goals. And number four, if you do go over your calories, who cares? Just get back on track. As your coach, I don't care if you went over your calories. What I do care about is whether you get back on track the very next day, because that is going to be the definition of your consistency, not whether you went over your calories or stayed under your calories. Number five, and this is my favorite phrase of all time when it comes to tracking your calories: if it's in a packet, track it. Someone has already done the work for you. They've put a barcode on the food. That barcode relates into a tracking app, and all you have to do is literally hold up your phone and scan it. And then you get all of the data you need. It really is that simple. If it's in a packet, track it. Number six, set up generic values for mixed vegetables and mixed fruits, say. No one ever got fat from eating too many fruits or veggies. So all you need to do is maybe spend a day weighing the amount of vegetables you eat, tracking that accurately, then just always use that same ingredient every single time, just to make life that little bit easier for you. Number seven, if you're eating out, add 30% to your values. That's all you got to do. That food is so out of your control, it's not going to help you with your goals, and 30% is probably about right in terms of the amount of calories extra that you're consuming that you're not aware of. And the last one is cook meals that are already tracked. Most recipes these days, you can get most recipes with a MyFitnessPal barcode on it. If you can't get those, join the Fitness Collective. Go to www.thegymstarter.com and join the Fitness Collective. I have 5 recipe books in there. Every single recipe is already on MyFitnessPal. Just scan the barcode on the recipe. Job done, food tracked. I hope this helped. If you found value from this, please pass this video on to a friend. That's all I ask. Have a great day.